If you're in a relationship for quite some time, things can get kind of boring. You get stuck in your day-to-day life, and after a while, all that is left is a quick love you when you leave the house. But there are a million ways to show your loved one how much you care and how much in love you are. Showing love can be the difference between an emotionally engaging and mutually supporting relationship and one that just lets it happen by itself. It's that simple. The more energy you give into showing love, the more love you will receive. Hi entrepreneurs, I'm Vivi. Welcome to Adventure Your World. My channel is all about creating sustainable happiness and a deeper connection with your soulmate partner. And in this video, I'm going to show you 12 ways how to show love and appreciation to your partner. Number 1, I believe that's a basic and it should be in every single relationship. Give good morning and good night kisses every single day. There should be at least some kind of touch every single day, and appreciate your partner every single day. Say thank you, say how much you appreciate them for helping you, for being there for you, for whatever. Just show them that you actually recognize that they're there, that they're helping you, that they're supporting you, and that they're making your life easier. And also, whenever you leave, make sure you don't just leave and shout goodbye. Take time for a short goodbye kiss, for a short have a good day, I love you, and really make sure that you have this kind of moment, even if it's just a few seconds, that you're really together and that you really show each other how much you love and appreciate each other. Because you never know if one day maybe your husband or your wife or your girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever, does not come back. So make sure you always say goodbye and that you love them. Number 2, a little flirt never hurt nobody, right? I mean, unless it's within your relationship, of course. Number 3, if life's purpose is experience, then I believe travel is the only way to live. So if you're in a relationship, an easy and fun way to spice it up, to experience something different, to make long-lasting memories, and to build a stronger connection between you and your partner is travel. If you do not have the time to travel, or you think like, oh my god, travel is so expensive, which by the way it's not, if you do it the right way, then just go on short trips. Do something that you've never done before. Just do experiences where you are actually together, where you spend time together, and where you're like creating memories that you can still talk about in like 20, 40, 50 or 100 years. Number 4, take care for each other. Know each other's pattern and think for the other person. If you know that your husband is going on a weekend trip and he usually forgets his toothbrush, well, pack it for him. Remind him on the things that he usually forgets. Just think for him, and if you know that there's things he usually doesn't do or forget, well, just give him a hand, that's why you're a team. Number 5, talk about your deepest feelings. You're only with the right partner if you're able to share your greatest fears and your greatest joys. If you're not really comfortable talking about these with your partner, then maybe your partner is not the right person, because that's what you're meant for. You're meant to share all your feelings, even the deepest and darkest side of yourself, and grow together, heal together, talk about these things and grow from it. Okay, but remember, your partner is not your therapist. He's there to talk to you. She's there to lift you up, to help you out, but there's a point where it gets too much. So just remember that. Number 6, teach your partner what you know best. There's always something that you know better than your partner, and as a team, it's always good to grow together, to expand, and to spend some time together learning from each other. So just teach your partner what you know best, what you're really confident in, and what's your passion. Number 7, care for your partner and show that what you want for your partner is the best for them. Obviously, by saying like, eat this healthy food, don't eat this shitty fast food, it can be kind of tricky, but your intent is to help them live a happier life, have more energy, feel more alive, and just be happier. So make sure that they get the actual intent of your actions, and that you're not just nagging around the beer that they're drinking or the chocolate that they're eating. Number 8, leave a note in the lunchbox. If they don't have a lunchbox, you can always leave one in the suitcase when they're traveling, or in their pocket. Just a little reminder, a note for them to remember how much you actually love them and that you actually think about them and care for them. Do your partner a favor and help them in the household or with any of their to-dos. Step in unexpectedly and just show that you're there for them no matter what. I know you're not gonna like this, but pick up his clothes after him, clean up after him. Obviously not all the time, but from here and there sometimes it is still a really nice gesture, and he's still really gonna enjoy it if he's actually gonna notice it. Number 11, encourage your partner to follow his or her goals and dreams. That's why you're a team, that's why you're there for each other. Kick your partner's ass and just show him that he can actually achieve his goals and her dreams, and that they're actually meant to come true. You're not in a relationship to drop all your dreams and all your goals behind and just build a mediocre, really boring future together. That's not why you're in a relationship. Number 12, give your partner an unexpected massage or foot rub, or just be there for them. Just give some physical touch. Play with their hair while they're sleeping, or just show that you're actually physically taking time to care for them, to appreciate them, and to show them love. This is actually one of the easiest and best ways to bond and to build a deeper connection. Build in some loves and some tickles and just have some fun. You're in a relationship to have fun, to enjoy each other, and to enjoy life. Don't forget that. And who doesn't want a massage? Seriously. It's never too late to deepen your connection and build a better relationship. If you want to bring back the spark to your relationship and you want to deepen the connection between you and your partner, make sure you get my free 4-day video training series in the comments below. Also, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what's your favorite way to show your partner love and affection. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.